मीना गोलानी, सहायक निदेशक विद्यार्थी सहायता सेवाएं का स्वागत करें। अब मैं अपने सहयोगी श्रीमती गिरजा मट्टू जी से अनुरोध करूंगी वे निदेशक मूल्यांकन का स्वागत करें। अब मैं कुमारी अंजलि से अनुरोध करूंगी वे डॉक्टर गिरी जी का पुष्पगुच्छ से स्वागत करें। धन्यवाद। अब मैं औपचारिक स्वागत के लिए क्षेत्रीय निदेशक डॉक्टर गिरी जी को आमंत्रित करती हूँ।
Good morning, everybody. Respected Director, Vocational Education, Dr. Asminder Singh Bahal ji, Director, Student Support Services, Shri Vijay Kumar ji, Director, Evaluation, Shri B. Venkateswaran ji, my colleagues from headquarters, respected all the coordinators of accredited institutions from Delhi and NCR, ladies and gentlemen. This is the annual meeting of the coordinators. It should be organized annually, but due to some reason it could not be organized for the last 2 years. Anyhow, it has been organized today. At the outset, I would like to welcome my Director Vocational Education, Shri Asminder Bahal ji, who has made it convenient to attend this meeting and to grace the occasion. I heartily welcome Director Student Support Services, Shri Vijay Kumar ji, for his constant support, guidance, and making this event possible. I cordially welcome Shri B. Venkateswaran ji for sparing himself out of his busy schedule and gracing this occasion. I welcome all my coordinators from my bottom of heart for attending this meeting and traveling from a long distance. I welcome all the colleagues from headquarters. This is the meeting, this is a forum where we discuss some of the issues and we try to disseminate information, any new initiatives, any new programs launched. And usually what we do, we communicate to our coordinators through letters, through mails, or messages through WhatsApp. But meeting face to face is also essential, because this is NIVS family, and you all are honorable members of this family, and families should meet frequently. This is my personal feeling. Today we will discuss some of the issues. You must be also facing some problem. NIVS is also facing some problem. And all the coordinators are, there is a contract between NIVS and study centers. And NIVS is one of the parties and study center is other party. And in the MOU signed between NIOS and study centers, all the role and responsibilities, obligations of both the parties, whether it is NIOS or study centers, it has been mentioned clearly. But we have not been following those responsibilities wholeheartedly. So we have to discuss on those issues, on those points, and our objective is same, to impart education, to contribute in nation building. And some of the study centers are doing excellent. I salute them, but not all. I requested from the very beginning, before the starting of this meeting, I wrote a letter to all of you 10 days back, and I requested you to, the senior person of your education society, means maybe chairman or president of your society or director or secretary, should attend. But and all of you have come, but not all. Some of them have come. My request was so that we can discuss some of the issues. We can formulate. You can contribute in formulating some policies so that we can implement and we can incorporate in our policy documents. That was my objective. There are few issues pertaining to PCP, personal contact programs, pertaining to tutor marked assignments, pertaining to conduct of practical examinations and theory examinations as well. So I have prepared some PPT. I'll show that problems. करते जाओ, अच्छा ऐसे बढ़ाना है? Okay. हाँ ठीक है, next. This is the, it is showing the jurisdiction of NIOS Regional Center Delhi. It consists of Delhi, NCR, and some of the districts which are not covered yet under NCR, for example, Palwal and Jhajjar. It is also under my jurisdiction. These are some of the important dates. You all know it is available on our website or mentioned in our prospectus. Next. These are some of the problems pertaining to status of payment to nodal centers. There are 23 nodal centers, and we have received bill for from 10 nodal centers only that have been cleared, payment have been made. Remaining nodal centers have not yet submitted their bills, and we have not made the payment. Payment related to practical examination center during last examination, October, November, September examination. Total number of examination centers were 144. Out of 144, 114 had submitted their bills. 108 bills have already been processed. 6 are under process, and 30 examination centers have not yet submitted their practical bills. This is related to payment for theory examination center. During last examination, October examination, there were 105 examination centers. Out of 105, we have received bills from 77 examination centers. Bills processed for payment 20, bills under process 57, and bills not yet received from 28 examination centers. So these were the few issues which we will discuss, and we will try to find out some solution to the problems. Thank you very much.
Thereafter, 23rd November 89, it was established as NOS, National Open School by Government of India. In 1990, it was given authorization by Government of India to conduct examination as well as certify that examination.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर।